So, na-induct sa Basketball Hall of Fame yung 2008 USA Men's Basketball Team o yung Redeem Team. Sayang wala na si Kobe, pero kung nandiyan sana si Kobe, mas maganda na na-induct, no? Kasi bira lang yung ma-induct ka as an individual and as a part of a team. Si Kobe kasi as individual, Hall of Famer na siya at Hall of Famer din siya bilang part ng 2008 USA Men's Basketball Team o yung Redeem Team. So, very maganda rin para sa basketball dahil si LeBron naglalaro pa siya pero Hall of Famer na siya as part of the USA Redeem Team noong 2008. So, magandang pangitain yan para sa basketball. Nare-recognize yung greatness ng isang player. Ganon din naman si Jordan. Ha? Yung ibang 1992 players both inducted as an individual and as a part of a team. And si LeBron eventually, pag nag-retire yan, sure fame na Hall of Famer din yan. Hindi naman natin may aalis sa kanya yun. So, yun lang po.